Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show the 3 different ways by which you can lift your body while performing the handstand. And these 3 are different methods. Some are going to handstand with method 1, and some are performing handstand with method 2, and some are with method 3. In last, you can comment which is your favorite method to perform an handstand and which you feels very difficult among all these 3. So I will wait for your comment. Okay, now I will show you all the 3 methods. And now I will show you the second. And now this is the third one. I have shown you all the 3 different ways to go to the handstand pose. So you can tell me which one is your favorite. Looking all the 3 method, 3 ways, you would have noticed the difference. In the first, I was doing like this. I was throwing one leg up, keeping the first leg down. In the second, I was throwing both the legs at the same time. In the last one, I use my arms and my core strength to lift my body up like this. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.